Write, connect, earn. Basically, you're going to write articles on any topic, connect with people, and get paid for that. This is one of the website is where people are coming to read anything. It's like a news article website. Okay, there's lots of audience reading lots of things. So you're going to post lots of different articles on different niches. When the people read the articles, you get paid for that. This is my new side hustle. I'm going to start it today. I'm going to publish at least 10 articles per day on this website. Try to push it my limits and let's see how much money I'm going to make it. And one important thing is I'm not going to write anything. I'm not going to hire somebody to write anything. I'm using an AI to write an articles and I'm going to make money from it. Now, this is the entire ideology is I'm going to use AI to write a random article published on this website and get paid. Now, okay, this is called Medium.com. I already made a couple of videos, but here I'm refreshing everything. Medium.com where you can post articles and get paid. Now you can see, apply for partner program, get access to the partner program, and start publishing your story with a meter my story box checked. Basically, in YouTube there's a button called monetize. So if you click the button, your videos get monetized. The same thing with here. If you click the button, your videos and your articles get monetized. How you can earn money? Medium is a website having millions of views every single day. Again, there are people have a what we can call a subscription basis on Medium. So on Medium, you can't read all the article for free. There's a certain article you can read it for free, but the rest of them you have to pay for it. You have to pay a monthly subscription. So this is how you can make money. You are not going to get a subscription. Medium has its own subscription. When those people reading your articles, according to how much your article length, how long they spent on your articles, and they will pay you the money. And you get paid monthly for that. So I already created an account with it. I already get approved upon my partner program. Here, this is a Medium website. When you go sign in, this is the article every single time is published. These are the fresh new articles. And if I go to my account here, I publish a couple of those articles. Again, I'm not what we call a publishing frequently. I publish them there and there. Now I'm going to do it regularly. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to pick a title to, for my articles, and I'm going to use my AI to write an article for me. So if I go to Medium website, first I'm going to start with very simple and basic. Okay, I'm going to see what people are writing about it on Medium and try and re-modify those articles. For example, if I seen it about apps, this is an article about fastest growing apps in 22. So I open this articles. It's entirely different apps are here. I don't know any of these articles. So for any of these apps, what I did is I copied this title. I went to my favorite AI website. It's called Yavis AI. Now it's called Jasper AI. Again, guys, there is a link in the description where you can create a free account and you can play around for 5 days and you can use this website for 5 days and you can actually generate articles. You can keep it for free, but you can understand how this AI works. Now here, I'm going to click my template section and I'm going to click this one called documents where I can create my articles, which I already start doing it. So I put the title, description. I didn't put any articles name, any apps name, just copy and paste my title. Tone of voice is technology based, so I put tech. Keywords, I put apps, fastest growing apps and best apps, and the output length is large. Now you can see it's already generated up to 6 apps. I'm going to click compose and let's see it will continue to write it. Yes, it's do that. Now see it's a 7th one, 8th one, and 9th one, and 10th one. Let's see, push it the limit because we want a little bit long articles, more than 1 minute to read. Now you can see, I think it's done. You won't generate more than 10. Okay, it's the conclusion. Now, what you can do, simple articles ready, guys, within 1 minute. I'm going to copy my articles from top to bottom. I'm going to go to Medium. Here, there's a button called here, a profile button. Click that. You're going to click this one called write a story, and it will take this page where you're going to copy and paste your article like that. And you're going to put the title. For this video sake, I keep it simple. I'm going to copy and paste the same article, same title, but half of that. Now here, that's it done. What you're going to do, click publish button. Here you need to upload a high quality profile image. So if you go back here we can upload the profile image. Go down bottom, click this button. There's an image button that you can upload. So you can go to Pixel and download a relevant image, or you can go to Canva and you can edit your thumbnail. So I already downloaded one in my computer. So I click button, I upload that image. You can see this is my preview. This is the title, and here you can add the tags. So let's see if we add any tags on his articles, if it's visible to us. So if you go to bottom, I think this is not visible to us, so we can put our own tags. So let's say type apps. Okay, you can see best apps is coming. There's a number of searches on Medium, so we don't have to put entirely new keywords. Fastest growing company, so we're gonna type for, look for apps. App is not there, so we can still put it. Technology, see how many people are searching. Over 500,000 people are searching on it. App for business. Now you can see Meter Your Story already checked it because I am a part of the program. Now I'm going to click this one called publish now. This article is published on Medium.com. Now whenever the people on Medium have a subscription, come and read my articles. I get paid for that, guys. Now you can use the Medium and the free service to make money as an affiliate marketer. How does that work? Again, you can use the Jarvis AI to create the articles on your affiliate product and publish on Medium. Again, this time don't click the box Meter My Story, so anyone can read it. So it will appear on the Google search engine all over the place. Anyone can read it. They can click the affiliate link. It's clickable, and Medium allow all type of affiliate link, and you can make money from that way. I will make a video soon, but here this is my example. I try to publish 10 articles per day. Let's see how many articles I can publish in a month, how many views I got, and how much money I make from Medium. If you want to know all of that, show your support by liking this video, subscribe to my channels, and see you guys on next video, guys. Have a good day, guys.